5 great gifts that you're gonna find to help out anybody who's going through their fitness regime. Now, I personally have used these 5 and I use them all the time. Let's get into it. Number 1, lifting straps. These are meant really to improve your lift when your grip is not as strong. So say for example, you're lifting, 90 pounds, or you're lifting 100 pounds. Somewhere in there, your grip is gonna start slipping. Either you don't have chalk or what have you. Your grip is not gonna be as strong. The bar is gonna be pulling your fingers apart. No problem, lifting strips is what comes in handy. You put them on, pretty simple, and then you wrap them around the barbell or you wrap them around the handles of whatever you're trying to lift. I use them whenever I'm doing deadlifts. Also when I'm doing barbell rows or any sort of row, you can see that I'm doing it. I also use them when I'm doing pull-ups. In this case, lat pull downs, I'm actually using them here as well. They come in great when you want to lift more weight than your grip is able to handle. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend a pair of these. I'll put a link to them right here. Up next is the pull-up bar. Now the pull-up bar accentuates that movement for your lats. So whenever you're trying to increase your strength for pulling, it's perfect. I got this pull-up bar and I use it probably at least once, twice, maybe 3 times a week. A pull-up bar obviously is available, for you. I have this one. I think it has a max weight of like 250. But it's perfect. It just goes right over where the door is, kind of the door seal. Obviously, you keep a nice controlled movement when you're doing your pull-ups. Perfect for that. And also, if you flip it over, you can use it as push-ups, which leads us right into the next thing. A set of perfect push-up handles. Now, I have these and I use them quite often in order to get a deeper stretch. The perfect push-up handles, they've been around for a while. Yes, I'm gonna put a link to them here for you. It helps you obviously increase your depth when you're going down. And then the turn obviously just kind of focuses on stability. Perfect push-ups, the handles are great. I've been using them for years. And the thing that everybody needs, they need a personal blender. So, okay, let's say you're really getting into fitness and you need to make some smoothies, but you don't want to pull out the big, huge blender. A little personal blender is what it does. I use this one probably almost 4 days a week. So you can mix in whatever you want to mix in a blender, making sure it's healthy. Even if you say, hey, I'm gonna even add in like my whey, you definitely do that with the personal blender. I'll put a link to it right here so that you can go ahead and click on it. Obviously, this is great. Personal blender, gotta have it, especially if you're getting into fitness and you need to make sure that you're adding whey protein to supplement the whole food proteins that you're already eating. And everyone at the gym needs one of these. It's a water bottle. Now, I personally prefer the stainless steel variety, but you can always get any sort of water bottle that'll help accentuate it. Now, this one here is the stainless steel. It's a 64 ounce, so it's half a gallon of water. But most cases, I'm drinking a half a gallon of water every day. When you finish this off, you go, okay, I'm fully hydrated. I know I'm at least halfway there. Getting a water bottle is important. I'll put a link to the stainless steel variety right here. And there you go, 5 gifts that you can give to anyone who's on their fitness training mode. They're great. They're all affordable. I'll put all the links here for you so you can go ahead and grab them. If you want more videos like this is cool. I mean, obviously there's plenty of videos of me working out and showcasing all of these items that I'm using. But if you want more, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like and comment down below. And I will talk to you in the very next one.